Hello, it's Miss Jennifer again with Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to be doing a short video on how to play the A major scale 1 octave. Okay, first thing we need to remember about the key of A major and the A major scale is that we have 3 sharps, and that is going to be F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay, so I'm going to take you through it first, saying the letters. A, B, C sharp, take your thumb under to play D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Okay, now I'm going to take you through with the finger numbers. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, thumb tucks under to play the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross your third finger over to the C sharp, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb under, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross your third finger over, 2, 1. Just make sure your fingers are curved and you're playing on your tips. We'll do that a little faster. The fingering for the left hand of the A major 1 octave scale. Let's go through the letters first. So we're going to be playing A, B, C sharp, D, E, cross over to third finger on F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Now we'll do the finger numbers. So we start with our 5th finger on the A, 5, 4, 3, play C sharp, 2, 1, cross your third finger over to F sharp, 3, 2, 1, on the way back down, 2, 3, tuck your thumb under to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb under to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've zoomed out now so that I can take you through both hands on the A major 1 octave scale. Remember that we have 3 sharps, F, C, and G. And always remember too that your fingers are curved, playing on the tips. Okay, so we're going to start on A, then we do the B. Both third fingers will play C sharp. Then at this point, your right hand thumb is going to tuck underneath the third finger. So I've got my third finger on C sharp, and I'm just taking that thumb underneath and kind of playing it on the side. Meanwhile, my left hand too is staying on the D. When I play them, then this hand will go ahead and move all the rest of the fingers up into position to continue the scale. So I'm just literally moving so that I have each finger ready on its next key. So I'm on D. Now my left hand is going to play thumb on E. My right hand's playing E, and then at this point I've run out of fingers in the left hand, so I'm going to cross my third finger over to F sharp in my left hand, and if we look here, my right hand third finger is already on F sharp, so the third fingers are going to play at the same time on F sharp, and I've just crossed over to get that to happen. So F sharp, then G sharp, and then they meet at the top on A. Okay, and then to go down, we're just going to do that in reverse. Okay, so here we go. So we're starting again at the top on A, G sharp, F sharp, and then this is where the trouble begins, where it gets trickier. So you're going to take your left hand thumb under to the E, your right hand stays put with 2 on E. Okay, then my right hand thumb is ready to play the D, and after I've crossed my thumb under, then I'm just going to bring my hand down, and now each finger has a key that it's going to finish up on. So I've got my thumb on D, 2 on D, and the left hand. Then the right hand is going to cross over, third finger to C sharp, and left hand third finger is already there, ready to go. So both third fingers on C sharp. Then I pivot my hand and go ahead and place it in position to finish up. So I'll show you that a little quicker.